So good morning everyone. I am Kurt Phil Opay. So I am currently here in Saray Bay. Tas niadto ko ganina sa Barangay Hall nila, and then we talked to some barangay officials, and then they said na diri lang ko sa Saray Bay mag kuan daw clean as volunteer. So So guys, I'm done cleaning my area. Only kay dili na ko mahinlo isa ako rin isa sa tanang palibot. So as you can see, murag napay gamay nga garbage, but I did my all, and then haggard na kay ko guys, and then I'll keep you updated until maglabay na ko sa garbage sa proper nga labayanan. So bye guys. Kira